Good morning class 7. As I have explained you earlier about the determiners, for the last 2 days I have been discussing determiners with you from your grammar book. So now you have to write all the definitions, kinds, groups of determiners in your FAIR notebooks. So I am sending you this work. You have to do this work in your FAIR notebooks of grammar and send the work to me. Again I am saying that I am not getting the work for checking. All of you, please send your work as fast as possible. Now I will just explain you briefly because we have already discussed it many times from the grammar book. So it is just for your recapitulation. It is your chapter 5 from your grammar book, determiners. You have to mention that, and then you will write the definition of determiners, that is used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. Determiners determine the position of a noun. It tells you about that, it indicate whether you are referring to something specific, क्या आप किसी specific चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, or you are talking about some particular type or something of a particular type. Means the words determiners determine that thing. Okay, with the use of determiners you come to know that whether you are talking of something specific or of a something particular type. Like there are two groups of determiners. Under group A comes articles, possessives and demonstratives, and in group B determiners, quantifiers and distributives. Class 7, I am telling you this because it will be much better for you. So you should learn this way only, and so it will be better for you if you learn likewise that in group A we have articles, possessives and demonstratives, and in group B we have quantifiers and distributives. So I don't need to explain it again and again in a very detailed manner because I have already done that. So here I have draw a table. You can also draw the table, and you can give the 6 titles like this. You can color it also if you want to. You can give a shade of this. You can shade it. So you have to draw this table like this. Give the 6 titles: articles, possessive, demonstratives, distributive, numerals and interrogative. And under articles you will write A, an and the. Possessives, my, your, his, her, its, are, their, whose. All these come under the possessives. It tells about the possession, owner. Demonstrative, when we point out to something, this, that, these, those. Distributive, when we distribute something, it will tell each, every, either or neither. Numerals 1, 2, 3 or first, second, third. Ordinals and cardinals both. Interrogative means question based, which, whose, how many, how much, etc. Okay, then here I have given you a brief definition about each type of article, this determiner. Articles A and an, these are the indefinite, and it is used before the nouns which are singular, introduced for the first time in the context. You know that A and an are used before the singular nouns, and it is used when we are talking about something in general. But when we talk about something in specific, then this definite article the is used. You know that. I don't need to tell you again and again. Then comes the possessive determiners. My, our, your, his, her, its and their all are the definite pronouns which comes under the possessive determiners. My camera, our house, their story, our table, etc. Demonstrative determiners. This, that, these, those are used to point out the persons or objects. Look at these books. That dress has been sold. Means here we are pointing towards some books or some dress. and this and these are used for the things nearby, and that and those is used for the things that are far away. These are the very basic things, you know that. Now comes the combining determiners. You can just shade it. Here also you have to do it very neatly. You can use the crayons or pencil colors in spite of these markers. If you don't have, it will make your notebook look more attractive, and it will be very clear to you that what are the main points and what you have to learn. So it becomes easy if you are highlighting all these main points. Or you can do like this also. It's up to you. If you don't want to do it, it is up to you. Don't think that ma'am has done, so we have also to do. No, it's no compulsion. I just want that your notebooks should be neat, your handwriting should be legible. Now we were here combining determiners. Two group B determiners can be put together if the combination makes sense. So two group B determiners. हमारे group B determiners कौन से हैं? Quantifiers and distributives. So इन दोनों में से हम दोनों ये we can combine group B determiners. Two group B determiners can be also be put together if the combination makes sense. Like we can take many and we can take other also. Many other clients. Okay, so this is combination. Group B plus group A, we can take one from the group A and one from the group B are put together by using of. We can use of also. We have to use of if we are using these. Like some people, some of the people. We have added of to this. Some of the people. Each child, each of my child. Clear? Now we move to the next one. Group B determiners. They can be used with of before pronouns. They can be used before of, used with of before nouns. So it can be used with of before pronouns. Like them is a pronoun, so we can use of before them, and neither. Neither of them. Which of us. Us is again a pronoun, and we are adding of before this, before pronoun. Here it is written, it can be used with of before pronoun. Okay. So neither of them, which of us. Certain group B determiners can be used after group A determiners. So there are some other determiners also which can be used after group A. Like her many friends. Okay, her many friends, the little time. So then there are few other determiners that do not put into group A or group B. They are such, other, only, what, numbers like 1, 2 and 3. So there are these few determiners which come under different category. They don't fit in the group A. They do not fit into group A or group B. Combination with group A determiners. A plus, this is an plus other. So it becomes another. His plus only plus brother. Every 2 months. So all these are the examples of this one. combination with group A determiners. Then such and what come before the article a and an. Such and what come before the article a and an. Like such a nice gift. What a pity. So with this your it is complete, your lesson is complete, and I will send you, and you have done your exercises in the books. I have made you do that and we will discuss that, but later on I will send you one more exercise that you will do in your notebooks. So all of you class 7th, you start you just write this lesson in your fair notebooks, determiners, and I will send you the exercise also so that you can do that in your notebooks.